What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Raw, representing New Era Car Club over here at Raw Customz, but I'm currently in Decatur with Spraywaycustoms. And what I got right here, as you can see, it's a set of 12-inch hifionics Brunus subs. And we about to do a little video unboxing with Sprayway's son, JayMoney, because they going up in his ride.
What's going on? What's going on?
So show them what you got in that box, JayMoney.
These 2 amps we picked up offline. You know, some hifionics to match the subwoofers we got here.
Yeah, I think them joints, they're gonna be nice. Get a little close up of that thing right there. Right here, we have a hifionics Zeus 4-channel amp with 600 watts. What else we got? That's gonna be for the highs in the car. We also have already installed a DB drive crossover. We have a Pioneer head unit installed as well, touch screen. And we have changed out the stock speakers with reference series Infinity 6.5s for the front and 6x9s for the rear. Now, this is what we're gonna have powering the subwoofers. We have a hifionics Zeus 1200 watt class D amplifier to match. So that's what we got, and once we get everything installed, we'll catch y'all and we'll let y'all take a listen to her. She gonna sound real nice. Come on, boy, JayMoney gonna be doing big things up there.
Watch out for me.
Alright then. Okay, people, as you can see, I'm back. I'm right here doing this install. I done got the amps installed, as you can see. I got the 4-channel amp right here. And I have the 1200 mono block on this end. Can they see that?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, I done drilled it down. I got it mounted right here to the back. I had to cut a piece of wood and install it to give my amp something to mount to, because it didn't have nothing there but like seat cushion. So I actually cut the wood, put it in, and mounted the amps to it. And so all thing left to do now is just power things up. But let me tell you, here in Alabama where I'm at, it's hot as hell. Look here. Woo! Let me show you how we improvise around here at Raw Customz. Show them this little gadget right here. Let's keep it cool in the trunk right here. Turn that on. Woo. Oh man, I'm getting all kind of love from that air, baby. All kinds of love. I want to kind of go to sleep, but I can't do it. I can't go sleep on job right now. So what I'm about to do is, I'm finna get the amp powered up. Walk around there and power them up. JayMoney. I'll hold the camera while he power them up to show you that they powering on. There they go. You see them? Yeah. So I'll cut you back on for a demo. Okay. I'm back. Y'all might know and seen this car. Sprayway painted it. Spraywaycustoms. Y'all know what it is. Okay. We finally got the system all installed. And this is how she sound. She sound pretty good. Decent everyday rider. Something like, you know, JayMoney need. Got plenty of clarity.
going, money growing.
See them amps out there. We ain't got all that trunk vibration.